Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple PDF files into one in your smartphone. You can do this both on your Android and iOS device. All you need to do is download the I Love PDF app on your smartphone. You can find this application in the App Store or the Google Play Store. This is also available on your computer like Windows or Mac. So let's head to the I Love PDF application. Now after heading to application, you should click on tools right over here. After that, you have to click on merge PDF. Now from here, I will select the PDFs that I want to merge. So I will select all these three PDF files and then I will click on continue. After that, I will click on merge PDF. So as you can see, the PDF merging is complete. Now if I go to files, I'll be able to see the merged PDF. And now if I open it, you'll be able to see that it has 3 pages. Whereas there were 3 PDF files with 3 pages, now there is 1 PDF file with 3 pages. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.